making these turns here in these little tiny streets. It's like crazy here. Look at this, cars backing up, buses backing up to make a turn. It's very, very steep, extremely steep. Here, look at this here. Coming down the bus here. Everybody's got Christmas decorations up here too. But look at this. You know, this is the way the bus is going down. This is the angle here. So we're steepness. Potatoes down there, yeah. There you go. All your motorbikes there. Everybody's got motorbikes. So we're still going up high. Look at some of these streets here on the side here. Ooh. Look at all this over here as you're going in the bus here. Trying to see how much battery power I got left here. All kind of streets and everything. Going up here more, going uphill. I'm like pushed back in my seat here, you know, from making these turns here, these narrow streets and everything here. Look at this here.
This is the very end of
Excellent view here from the barrio or comuna here. Look at this here. All great views up here. Yeah, look at this, all the different homes down there. Big place over there. Up top there. Got a little bar here. This guy is showing us this. He set up a bar here. He's got everything here. And he's got his dad working over there. So he's got big mural on the wall here. Everything. He's got all kinds of stuff back here. He's got the range, he's got beer, he's got a sink, he's got snacks here, all the different beers, variety. We're going to look at these on the other side here. Yeah, here we go. You got all your sodas here. All your sodas here. And then we got all your beers here. The light, tequila, Colombia, poker, Alright. And I'm here too here, so right at the bar here. We got a nice place here. Very nice. This is our guide, our local guide. This is his house, and they have a bar here. Very nice, very nice.
And they just closed, but they were my friends for me the furniture. Center west side, and there are 19 neighborhoods here. There are 7 square kilometers here and 200,000 inhabitants.
200,000. Wow.
It's one of the biggest ones. As I told you, my parents are right here to the 78, looking for a new lunch living. And my grandpa used to say, Christian, whatever you can see, it was green. Mulching.
Yeah.
They were living first in a neighborhood named as Kennedy in Medellin. Kennedy neighborhoods, the north side. And because of the whispers, the people were saying, no, in that place, that mountain, that hill, the people are being taking the land for free. So it was not for free. What about the owners? That's why it was considered the illegal invasion. And the cities and then the army to retake the country.
These are all photos of the past
These are pictures
and the present of the neighborhood
by
here.
the children.
More shots. Well, we're still walking along here. We're going to take an escalator going down. You can still see more.
Ancestral.
Oh yeah, that's the place we were just at, the Ancestral Bar. Yeah, that's where we were. Yeah, that's the Ancestral Bar. That's where we were. Got some guys going down here. I don't know what they're doing here.
Sí, bienvenidos todos a que no se pierdan este gran espectáculo que ya daremos inicio y le cantará a cada uno de ustedes.
They don't have a bin for the money.
Allí mi compañero Popeye les... Pero porque con tanta buena idea. ¡Público! ¡Con más ánimo! Vamos a darlo así. Good morning people, suéltala.
So seductive. I take you to the end. Boom, I knew this. I take you to the so seductive.
Crazy. Oh my God. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Come on. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, vivo el chicle! Y el aplauso para el arriba, fuerte el aplauso. Como diría el abuelo, vamos a meter la pizza. Let's go! ¡Vivo Isaac! ¡He conocido como el abuelo! Único, si te está gustando lo que estás viendo, regálame una suerte.
Okay, we're going down the escalator here. So, all right, there's more stuff going on. A lot of activities here. Everybody's happy and everything. So it's good. I'm on the escalator going down. I just did some break dancing, and if I may say so, I didn't do that bad there. So, all right. You got more murals here. Very nice. Murals. Okay, up here. Fat old murals up here too. Looks like
Y a pesar de los problemas, familia es familia y cariño es cariño. Yeah.